Okay, yeah, it'll work. It kind of gives that, element of hype that I was looking for. Now we can move on to basically the next kind of section here with the breakdown and the build up again. Uh, we'd have to find a different vocal. I mean, you can use. I mean, there's no rule against it that you could just repeat this again, but for most cases, you don't really want to. Kind of gets lazy, repetitive. You don't want to really make it look like they were just too lazy to record a second verse and chorus and everything. So let's go back to this section here. And let's see if we could find something else that'll work for the second part here. Okay, we're going to duplicate this section right here to make a little bit of room for the vocal. We don't want to maybe go in right away here. And then we're just going to add it in this section right here.
I dove into the deep end, 'cause you can't deny it. Meet me in the back of the room, back of the party. You'll see it through. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock.
Let's try what's in this loops folder.
Booty go down.
Okay, that's just for drops. Short phrases.
Each other. Why's it gotta be like that? Oh, I kinda like it that you love me, yeah.
That one's pretty cool. I like that one.
Feels like I've known you for a lifetime. You better fight. I kinda like it that you love me, yeah. I kinda like it.
Okay, so we know from before we just have to go down one semitone in pitch to get it in key here.
I kinda like it that you love me, yeah. I kinda like it that you love me, yeah. I kinda like it that. I kinda like it that you love me, yeah. I kinda like it that. I kinda like it that you love me, yeah. I kinda like it that you love me, yeah. I kinda like it. Lost it all. No, you didn't not. No, you wish you know you didn't not. I've been thinking about you. Oh, I saw you walk in the dark. Don't wanna lose you like that. I kinda like it that you lie to me. Lie to me, lie to me. You better fight for. I want you out. You're getting to a taste. I know you want it, babe, but I kinda like it.
Oh, that's kind of part of this one, I think, isn't it? Yeah, maybe.
I kinda like it that you love me, yeah. You're getting to a taste. I know you want it, babe. I kinda like it that. You're getting to a taste. You're getting to it. You're getting to a taste. I know you want it, babe, but I kinda like it. You're getting to a taste.
Okay, so it's not in key still.
You're getting to a taste. I know you want it, babe, but I kinda like it. You're getting to a taste. I know you want it, babe. I kinda like it that you love me. I kinda like it that. I kinda like it that you love me, yeah. Kinda like it that you. Kinda like it that.
Let's see if we could change the rhythm of this thing here.